Hi Ed, I'm Meri Kruger. I'm an entrepreneur and a coach, and I signed up for your COA program a few weeks ago, and I just wanted to take a moment to say that the COA program and your staff, and the entire Champions Academy team have been really just great. The depth and clarity of the training available through your videos, I've appreciated so much, and grown from the frequency and again the depth of the support that you make available day in and day out every week is amazing. And I have really loved the high expectation that you and the team have of your clients, the level of accountability that you place on your clients, and with the high expectation and accountability, the great and ongoing, never wavering support has just been great. Just a great triangle. I've been with you all 8 or 9 weeks now, I would say, and my ads, my lead flow, my revenue, my programs, and I'm myself personally, as a person and as a coach, I've grown, and my programs and so on and so forth are all the better for having worked with y'all. I look forward to continuing working with you all, and if there are people out there for whom your programs are a great fit, I really encourage them to check you and your team and COA and Champions Academy out. Thanks so much.